Hi, dear students. I am Dr. Padmaya Naik. I am actually handling material science of second year mechanical engineering or third sem mechanical engineering. The material science is deals with the structure and behavior as well as properties of materials. Every day we come into contact with various manufactured objects that are essential to modern life. The vehicles that we travel in, the clothes that we are wearing, the machine in our homes, offices and factories, sport equipments, computers, phones, and many others. These objects are manufactured from various materials like metals, polymers, ceramics, composites, semiconductors, and biomaterials, which form principal classes of materials. We are thousands and thousands of materials available, and all of these are useful for mankind by one or the other way. In addition, scientists are exploring new materials to enable engineers to manufacture products something better or cheaper than the existing one. The selection of materials for the particular application depends on the properties of the materials like strength, toughness, ductility, heat resistance, corrosion resistance, fatigue resistance, creep resistance, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and so on. The properties and behavior of every material depends on its structure, especially microstructure. On the other hand, the internal arrangement of atoms or molecules is playing very important role in various materials. For instance, a change in microstructure can change a metal from being a ductile or brittle. We can change the material behavior by changing the structure of the material. Hence, it is important to understand why and how to change the properties of the material or how to control its structure. This knowledge helping us to understand how to make best use of the existing materials and how to develop new materials that will meet the demands of the future. So, we understood that the microstructure changes can change the material behavior as well as material properties. So, hence, it is very much essential to study about the structure of solids, especially structure of crystalline solids we would come across. Matter exists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. The subject material science is mainly concerned with materials in the solid state rather than liquid and gaseous state, because materials in the solid state can be distinguished from other two states by their engineering properties, which enable some functions or processes. Or subject materials restrict itself to solid materials, which help the engineers to build machines, structures, automobiles, electronic gadgets, and a wide variety of other products useful to mankind. So, this way, the structure of the material can be classified into two major categories. One is crystalline structure solids and non-crystalline structure solids. The crystalline structure solids, the arrangement of atoms in a regular manner or in a systematic way is called the crystalline solids. The crystalline solids, all metals are best examples of crystalline solids. Non-crystalline or amorphous solids are the arrangement of atoms in a random way within the solid is called the non-crystalline or amorphous solids. The examples are polymers, rubbers, plastics, etc. Then we will come across a fundamental concept of crystal geometry, that crystal geometry consists of a first part is the unit cell. The unit cell is called the simplest or smallest part of the crystal structure is known as the unit cell. So different types of unit cells are available. We will come across next. First, we will go to the what is lattice. So the lattice is nothing but it is the arrangement of atoms is known as arrangement of atoms in a solids is known as lattice. Whereas in that again space lattice, the space lattice is nothing but the arrangement of atoms in a space is called the space lattice. Then we will come across the crystal system, or sometimes it is also called crystal system is also called Bravais space lattices. So Bravais space lattice is called the unique arrangement of lattice points are known as the Bravais space lattice.